There are other terms like graph. A graph is a measurement. Now that becomes the suffix typically. So when we have the word graph and we add something in front of graph, it gives us a medical term. For example, mammo refers to breast. When a patient has mammography, we're using mammo, we're using graph. When a patient has mammography, that means that we have taken an x-ray or an image of the breast. Those have been put together to make one word. A second example of this, again, gram or graph refers to a picture or a recording. We can take now we back to using that root word, cardio, a prefix, electro, and a suffix, gram. Put electro, cardio, and gram together, we have the word electrocardiogram, which refers to a recording of heart activity. And this is a test that's frequently done to determine if there are abnormalities with the heart. The others are words that you can take the beginning and the end. Gastro as an example. Gastro is a prefix meaning stomach. Now you can take that, add itis to it, it becomes gastritis. That's the person who drank too much last night and has an upset stomach and the inflammation of the stomach. Gastro and itis. The same thing with entero and itis. Entero refers to small intestine, itis refers to inflammation of. So you would have enteritis, meaning the small intestine is inflamed. Another common example, hepatitis. Hepa means liver, itis, inflammation of. Put it together, hepatitis, that's inflammation of the liver. Osteo is a word prefix meaning bone. Now you can take that and put that with a number of suffixes. Osteitis is inflammation of a bone. Cardio again with itis. Carditis is an inflammation of the heart. So many of these word prefixes and suffixes can be used and put together to make a common word. We have a list that you will have in your possession so that you can see how this is used with some other examples. And that way, when you begin to read a medical record, you can look at any word, take it apart, and determine what it means. Thank you.